There was a time when you had to go out and find a photographer with studio and then to hire him in order to get some professional photos of your products. But not anymore. Now you can do all of this at home in small photo box like this one. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video and photography gear review. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Denis and today I'm gonna talk about this photo box, like for who is it, what you can do with it, and similar. Well, in short I can say this is traveling studio from small to medium sized products. Assembly is so easy, pretty much like Lego. Downside is that it takes some space to do that. Easiest way to assemble it is to spread it on the floor. Then you insert the backdrop and simply use the velcro on sides to pack it into the box. And right before you finish up, insert the ultra bright LED lights that comes in the package. I don't know what to say, I love this box. I mean photo box. By the way, you get 4 different backgrounds in white, black, grey and blue colors. As you can see, there are multiple holes where you can put your camera to make a shot of your product. 1 is at the top, 4 in the front, 1, 2, 3 and the big 4th one. Checking the inside, we can see that sides of the box are reflective. That's because the light can be reflected and kept inside the box. Here are some sample photos of the products that I already made photos of. But you can also find them on my Instagram account, so if you want, you can hit some like on them. Now the good and the bad things. The good things are, it's easy to assemble, it's great to have so many openings to take a photo, option to use added backgrounds or adding some own into it. When it's folded, it's really easy to carry around and you can control the light through dimmer. And the negative side, it takes a lot of space when it's assembled. So it's actually better if you have one table where you can keep it as it is. Seriously, there is no other con. So I'm really happy with this purchase. Now all I need is different backgrounds. If you want to have your own mini photo studio, check out the links in the description below. Remember that those are affiliate links, so if you use them, I get small commission of it. There is also a code for a little discount, so check it down below. That's it for today guys. Thank you for likes, thank you for dislikes, thank you for all comments. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to press on the subscribe button, also press on the notification bell, and until the next time, stay in love. Peace!